What's going on, guys? I'm Nick the Tutor, and today we're going to talk about recommendation letters for college. So let's get into it. A recommendation letter is something that a teacher or someone else at your school will fill out about you for your college application, and typically it's going to be about your character or scholastic ability. Recommendation letters can be really important for your college application, and one of the difficult parts about this process is that you actually can't see what the people are writing about you because they do it anonymously and send it into each college through your Common App. Now, since you can't see it and you can't really tell the person what to write, how can you make sure that you have good recommendation letters for college? What you need to do is you need to form strong relationships with the people that you're going to ask to write recommendation letters for you. Now, one of the things that students normally think about is, okay, I'm going to go ask the teachers that I get the best grades in their class. I'm going to go ask those teachers because those are the ones that are going to like me the best. That's not always the best strategy, because sometimes just because you're doing well in a class or you excel in the class doesn't mean that the teacher actually likes you. You want to gravitate towards teachers that understand you as a person and can talk honestly about your skills and areas for improvement. So what are they typically writing about you? Well, they're going to write things about how long they've known you, what their experiences have been with you, whether those have been positive or negative, and how they perceive you as a student and as a person. That's why the better person to ask will be the teachers that you have a stronger relationship. Maybe a teacher is your coach for a sport, or you interact with them during a club meeting, or you just have a really great relationship with them. You ask them for extra help, you meet with them, you speak with them, they really know you, they understand you, and they can write very honestly and aptly about you as a person to reflect positively about you. I think one of the big mistakes is, okay, I have a good grade in this class, the teacher doesn't really know me, so they're gonna write that I'm a good student, but they're not going to really be able to express about your personality characteristics and your character, and those are gonna be the better letters of recommendation when it comes down to college application. Another great tip would be, if you can plan this out, is a bit difficult, if you can take an area of expertise for you, like a subject that you're going to possibly major in college, and have a really good relationship with that teacher in high school. So say you're going into history major, your history teacher over the past few years is someone that you gel really well with, you like them a lot, you get along with them. That could be a good way to segue into your major and to impress the person reading your college application. Obviously, if you can't do that, that's fine, but that is always a great tip if you can make it happen. Bottom line, my number one tip when it comes to recommendation letters is to plan ahead. Start formulating those genuine relationships with people at your school so that you feel comfortable asking them early on before everyone else, can you write a recommendation letter for me? Comment down below, what teacher are you going to ask to write your recommendation letters? I'll see you guys soon. Peace.